Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about 97 and 9800 series windrowers. Doesn't matter what size of windrower it is. What we want you to do is go in and check on the lift arms back here. What we're finding is that there's a couple of grease nipples there that are getting missed fairly regularly in daily maintenance. And what it's doing is it starts to grind the bearing out, and it starts to take the actual lift arm out. And then as a cause effect, it also breaks the leg of the windrower where everything attaches to, which results in a catastrophic failure. So we'd like you to have a look at that, release the pressure on your mower, have a look and see if that 90-degree nipple has been getting greased. If it hasn't, it's probably something that needs to be all disassembled and checked. And then the other thing is we have reinforcement kits that can be put on there and welded in there to reinforce the whole mounting system there to hopefully have the thing last a long time for you. So have a look at that. If you have questions, give Michael or Nolan a call. They can walk you through it, and if we need to pick it up and go through and rebuild some stuff, let us know. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.